everyone. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me tonight and thanks for clicking on my channel. I so much appreciate all the new subscribers, all the loyal subscribers to my channel. Keep liking this channel, keep sharing it, and also leaving your comments down there, and we're going to keep moving on and continue with everything else. And I hope you are all doing fine. It's been really nice having some new members in this channel, new subscribers. I've been reading your comments and I feel wow, I feel so honored. You know, it's always nice to have a feedback from the viewers out there. I am looking forward to make everything better, and I'm looking forward to improve on my video editing skills, even on my video filming and everything. So I so much appreciate if you have some ideas out there, just drop them down there, let me know, and maybe I can include them in the videos. Yes, in the meantime, I wish you all a good evening, a blessed evening, and also a nice week. The week is coming to an end. I hope everyone is enjoying and looking forward to the weekend. I want to say goodbye. That's it from me. See you next time.